So let's see what you got. You want to give it a little? Well, that's pretty sloppy.
What? Today we're gonna pot some of these growing herbs. Ooh, why is that brown on the top? Everything is growing except for the red raspberry. It's a little sad. Oh, and the thyme. They don't like this environment, I guess. Maybe they need more time. Either which way, we're gonna plant all of these in some soil.
Okay. How's the rest of your table look?
It's looking a little limp, you know. I didn't know that they were thirsty. They told me. So I watered it a few days. I watered it 2 days ago, so I think it looks a little better. We'll have to cut it and we'll use it as a face mask. But I think that it's looking a little better after its little drink of water.
Okay.
You don't think so?
I do.
Yeah. Poor children.
All right, so let's get to it.
All right.
Well, now,
Projects and problems.
you got a problem.
So,
what's the problem?
We're going to be transporting these little sprouts into these nice little containers here where they're going to grow. I originally thought that I needed to get something to catch the water, but it looks like it's built in.
Can you take it off? Let me see.
I don't know how to take it off, but yes.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yes, Morpheus. Woo! I just saw the Matrix. You know, Morpheus says, yes.
So what did you just do? You separated the...
Okay, the drain tray for the water and where we're gonna plant the sprouts.
All right, let's get it.
You're supposed to be instructing me.
I am, right? All right,
The
so
instruction.
let's make sure we have everything first, right?
That's cool.
Let's plant. So you have the pots.
Pots.
You're going to put some soil.
Soil. Oh, that's not it?
No, you're going to put some soil. Oh,
Soil.
Don't look at the brand. You're going to put some soil, right? No brands. Inside the pot.
Okay.
And then we're going to take these out using a scissor.
Okay.
Only because I can't find a plastic knife.
We guys, good.
We'll put them inside, finish putting the soil in, and we'll give it some water, and that should be done.
Sounds good. What am I going to be getting the soil out with?
So grab the bag, put it on the floor.
This sounds messy, Daddy. I need like a spoon.
Nice. Here's your spoon.
It has holes in it, Daddy.
Try it.
Oh, yeah.
Use one hand, put some dirt inside the bucket. Okay. All right. Fill it up about to the indentation line. See that line?
This one?
That one.
Oh, wow. See, this is why I need you here.
And also when you water it,
I'm making a mess, Daddy.
that's all right. You're going to clean it up anyway.
Oh,
No?
I need a vacuum.
You're going to do that too.
All right.
No?
That's fine. This is my home. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. Don't get my pants. We're almost there. Ooh. I think that should be good. Maybe not. Maybe one more.
One more is good.
That's the one.
Pack it down a little bit.
Pack it down.
A little bit, not too much.
Okay. Why are you packing?
Yeah, just so to compress the soil. All Alright. And what we're going to do is, what do we want to plant first?
All right, let's get these peppers because they're growing.
So what is the plan? Where are you going to put what?
I want to put peppers in one.
Right.
And everything else in the other.
How many peppers do you have?
We have 8 peppers here. 5 habanero, 3 cayenne.
And this is just a temporary spot for them because they are going to grow and one pepper plant can take over that entire pot.
Okay.
So this is a temporary holding space, right?
Okay, yeah.
That wasn't your plan though.
Whatever. You instructed me, so.
So at this point, I realized the problem. Those pepper plants can grow to be sometimes 3 feet tall. As you can see, this plant with the root system, this is a jalapeno that I grew last year. This plant was hardy, it was tall. Those pepper plants are going to outgrow this container in no time. But let's move on.
I think we'll be able to get 4 peppers in one and some stuff in the other.
What do you mean? What do you mean, some stuff? Well, there's 2 things that are not growing, so they're gonna have to do by themselves.
You can do that. I got a plan for that. Alright. Okay. Now let's gently take. Oops, she got another
Some more. I guess shoes would have been a good idea. When you're gardening, Charlene.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, next, let's take out, how many peppers?
We have 8.
Let's put 2 of each inside the pot.
Okay.
So let's get
Which
2
ones?
habaneros and then 2 cayennes.
I'll start from
What are
here.
you doing?
You told me to do this.
I did, hold on. I gotta see what you did. Okay. What does it look like? Let me see the root.
All right, want me to open it?
No. The root should be wrapping around the outside of that. You see anything?
No.
Yeah, peppers are really cheap with the roots. Alright, so if the root was coming out of that rockwool, then you know that when you plant it, you want to make sure that that root gets some water. But since it's not, you want to make sure that you just give that some water in the pot. So let's put it in, see what happens.
Do I put it inside?
Yep.
So I make a little
Make a
hole?
little hole. You don't want to dig it down too much. Good. Nice. Alright. Make sure it's straight. Good. Make sure it's centered. Nice. Ooh, let's look for the root of that one. Anything?
I need to get my ring light. I don't see anything.
Okay. So we're only going to put 4 in there, right?
Okay.
So let's space it properly.
So that's not good.
No.
Let's get this big one. Okay, now this is cayenne.
Cayenne showing some root.
A little corner cayenne. No, I don't see a root.
All right, so if it's the corner cayenne, you want to make sure you center that in the pot.
The corner has to be in the middle.
The corner has to be in the middle, correct. That's right. You should have room for how many more?
One.
There you go. Okay.
This one has 2.
Alright, so this one has 2. So what we want to do now is we want to gently separate the
You
2
want to
apart.
separate?
Yeah. You want me to do it?
No.
Perfect. Since the root is not that long, it's easy to separate. So now you just made another plant. Alright, all looking good. Now what we want to do is, nope, you don't want to put that in there. That has to have its own home.
Yeah, I'm making a hole.
It's going to be too close.
That's too close?
Yeah.
Where should it go?
Alright, you could try it there. But that's not spaced properly. We should have had a ruler and all that other good stuff.
Why? Says who?
Since me.
No. This is not a math project.
Everything is a math project.
No.
The world is full of math projects.
No.
Everything is an equation.
No. Not here.
I don't know what you're talking about. If you're going to put 5 in, you take the middle.
I was supposed to put 4 in.
So what happened? What happened to your plan?
It was an extra.
That extra didn't have to go in there.
No? But I feel like it was good because 2 of them were coming out, so I figured we should use it.
Don't pat it too much because you want to add soil on top.
Oh, we're adding soil on
You want to add more soil on top. Yes.
Am I supposed to cover these little sprouts?
You want to cover, not the sprout, but you just want to cover the rock wool.
Okay.
Just enough to cover the rock wool. And this is very delicate because if you know what, before you do that, let's give it a little drink of water.
You should give it some love.
What? You're going to have to explain what that means. Oh boy.
We have to give our plants love.
Alright, so let's see what you got. You want to give it a little? Well, that's pretty sloppy.
What?
How you gonna throw the love down all sloppy?
What's wrong with that? I made a little zigzag. You didn't see it?
It's like you were pouring some out for your homies.
What's wrong with that?
Oh, alright, that's fine.
How was I supposed to do it?
Yeah, that's fine. Let's add some soil on top.
Oh my goodness. You didn't instruct me on how to add the love. You just told me to do it.
I would use 2 hands with that. Yeah. You don't want to mess up the seedling. They're very delicate right now.
Okay, seedlings. That's what they're called.
Yeah. Nice. You see how they're kind of laying down?
Yeah. We don't want that.
No, we want to help them prop up. So don't push the plant itself, but you can move the soil around it to help it stand up. Yeah, that's it. Not too much. Once you get some light and some water, it'll be fine. This will probably be good for maybe about 4 weeks or 3 weeks.
Okay. And then what do we do from there?
Gotta transplant it again.
To where?
Larger pot.
Okay. Oops.
All right. Good. Let's give it some more water.
We don't call it water.
We don't call it water.
What are we giving? What are we giving them?
Water.
Love. All right, how am I supposed to water this
Nice
since I
and
didn't
neat.
do it?
Don't.
What does that mean?
You do it around it, but don't do. You gotta act like you give a love. Yeah. Yes. All right. Ooh, nice.
That was good.
That was good. Yeah. You good? Okay. Wait. You don't have to go. Well, there is another one over there. Go ahead. Good. All right. Let that settle in. Now that's probably all you want to give it because you don't want it to run out the tray. And let's set it on the table.
Okay.
That one's done.
Should I label them?
You should always label them. That's one of my pet peeves, having plants and you don't know what it is.
Well, I'm gonna know what it is when it grows.
You mean when it blossoms?
Yes.
Right. So, yes, we should label them. We can give them fresh labels.